day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the TK25 smartwatch, and this is the second video review of the unboxing of the TK25 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to focus on its menus and features. So if you are interested to see if what are the available features offered in the TK25 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the offered menus and features of the TK25 smartwatch. As you can see here, we do have some features of the wearable, and we do have here the specs. 2.02 inch high definition screen with a heart rate, IP68 waterproof, and with a 320 by 385 pixel resolution. Okay, so enough of the specs. Let's proceed to the UI and the offered menus and features of the TK25 smartwatch. So we do have here the crown button. Okay, you can change the watch face using the crown button here. Pressing this one will show the menus or the different options on the settings of your wearable. On top, we have the notifications. On the bottom part, we have here different windows for different common applications. On the left side, we have here a grid type layout of the different features of the smartwatch. On the right side, we have the different cards here. Okay, you can add your own, and you can remove also some of the modules here or cards. To access the main menu, just press the power button. And talking about the menus and features, we do have here the sports function. Let's check. We have the badminton, basketball, bowling, boxing, elliptical machine, football, free training, gymnastic, hip hop, and other sports functions. So we do have a lot of sports functions here for our TK25 smartwatch. Okay, we do have a sleep monitoring, we have automatic activity tracking, we have the heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen monitoring, we have message notifications, we have the dial here for the Bluetooth call with support for call history, contacts, and dial pad. We have Bluetooth music here, weather report, breathing guide, calculator, alarm, sedentary alert, stopwatch, remote control for photos, voice assistant, find phones, car race settings. On the settings, we have here the general, notice, do not disturb mode, display and brightness. We'll make it 30. Screen lock. We also have support here for dynamic island, pinch to answer, hand light, and bedside lamp mode. We have time settings. You can adjust from 12-hour to 24-hour format time. App view. So these are the app view. We have at least 6 style. No, it's 8 and 10. Wow, nice. We have at least 10 styles here. We'll explore more on this on our next videos. Sound and touch with a volume adjustment here. Password for security and SOS support. We have a short video control. Okay, I think this is for the TikTok. We have the calendar, contacts, WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. We also have here the drink water reminder, menstrual cycle, reboot, shutdown, language support. So we do have here several languages. We have and app view. That's it. Shutdown, reboot. Talking about the health monitoring, Let's check out the UI of the heart rate. Heart rate, blood pressure, weather report. Okay, needs to be connected to the smartwatch. We have the calculator. What else? Okay, let's check out some of the UI here. A torch, calendar. Okay, that's good. Support for social apps. So here are the social apps. Languages QR code for the support app. XOFit. And we have the app view. Let's see with the other styles here. Style 9. Let's see with this one. Okay, so this is the style number 9. Style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4. Let's see. Nice, this one is also good. With gear here, when you change the menus. Okay, so far I think it has a good feature, or it has a good list of options here and functionalities. I just don't like the design here. It looks ordinary, and it says zinc alloy case, but the truth is it is just plastic. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of the TK25 smartwatch. So these are the list of menus and features. If you have any questions regarding the TK25 smartwatch and its features, just drop a comment below. And again, please support our YouTube channel and website, smartwatchspecifications.com, and our YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.